Hi students. We had a warm-up today that was different. It was we did this first, and at a very slow tempo. We did first finger on the first fret, then we did the second finger on the second fret, third finger on the third fret, and then the fourth finger on the fourth fret. And that was tricky. And you can see I keep my hand on the piece of the on the face of the guitar just to keep like a kickstand or an anchor. And this was the next one we did was the first two fingers for one. And I wanted to demonstrate that so you could practice it at home between now and next Saturday. So this was, for a better view, and that's at a very slow tempo on my metronome. That's about as slow as it goes. On the second fret, it was this second and third finger, same way, and you're kind of alternating between every other string. And then the last one was 3 and 4 on the third fret. And I said this one's going to get dicey, and it's the same. It's on the third will start and go across, and then the fourth will start going backwards, and it went like this. Now, if you're using a pick, you're talking about a very synchronous cooperation between the left hand and the right hand. I say that is a comprehensive method. So I'm picking right at the same time as I've got my third finger. This is on the third fret. Excellent. Try that in the privacy of your home and work on that one. That one with the 3 and the 4 on the third fret, it could be very difficult for some. All right. Stay cool and have fun, everyone.